Good evening. Today is Tuesday, October 3, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result. Here are the SL Sur 3 Visayas 7 p.m. result for October 3, 2023, Tuesday. Here are the today's SL Visayas draw result recap for 10:30 a.m. and 3 p.m. of Tuesday, October 3, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of October 3, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.